You like to have blue eyes.
I like to have different kind of colors.
Oh, I know.
But not this black and white.
How come? What's wrong?
I like yellow or blue or red with white or lemon, pink with white. You don't have pink. I have pink. You have pink.
Are you talking eyes
Huh?
or nails?
Eyes.
Then how come you're pointing at the fingers?